Avoid using a vacuum to suck water out of a toilet bowl during removal because doing so can contaminate the equipment and expose you to harmful bacteria. When removing a toilet bowl, start by turning off the water supply and flushing to drain as much as possible. Then use a sturdy bucket to perform the quick pour method by scooping and discarding water into a nearby drain or outside area. Keep a set of thick, disposable or washable towels on hand to sop up residual water. Press and fold rather than rub to avoid splashing. If you need to remove the last bit of water, tilt the toilet slowly so the remaining liquid pours out in a controlled stream into the bucket or drain, keeping your face and clothes clear of the flow. For frequent work or larger projects, invest in a dedicated hand pump that is used only for sanitary water removal and kept with the rest of your toilet removal kit to avoid cross-contamination. Wear protective gloves and eye protection while handling water and soiled towels, and wash hands and tools thoroughly with hot soapy water and a disinfectant after the job. Place used towels and any disposable materials in a sealed bag before disposing to minimize odor and bacterial spread. The most common mistake is using a household vacuum, which can draw contaminated water into internal components and create a persistent contamination risk, so avoid vacuums and use buckets or a hand pump instead. Another frequent error is rushing and causing splashes that aerosolize bacteria. Slow controlled pours and sopping with folded towels prevent splatter. People also often neglect proper cleanup of tools and protective gear, which allows bacteria to linger, so clean everything with hot soapy water and a disinfectant and store items separately for sanitary use only. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work relevant to projects like safe toilet removal. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share practical tips, ask questions, and trade experience on hygiene and removal techniques.